Alright, hello everyone. We're just gonna go through quickly the product review of this 4-frame electric extractor, and this is from the People's Republic of China, and you can buy it from eBay for a few $100s. Let's see, is it worth it or not? We have already tried it out, so this has been already tested. You can watch the other videos how it works, but let's just go through it quickly. So it's got a 1400 watts motor, and you know what, when we were working on it for about a good 2 hours, and it did get a little bit warmer, but didn't overheat or anything else. So what's the size? It has a about 500 mils diameter, and the circumference is about 1.5 meters. Probably you need about a 600 mil space if you wanna take into account the legs as well. So what do we have? We have a variable speed dial here, which is very useful because when your frames are full, you probably can only go up to about 70-80%. And once you have turned the frames around to extract the rest, then you can go the full 100%. So this is very good. It's only one directional. It will spin, I believe it's clockwise. What do we know about it? So this is the basket that you see here, and it's all stainless steel. As you can see, it's nice and clean already, and it's super easy to clean, as you would expect. Honey, it's just some hot water and it cleans it super nicely, and this one just works like that. It comes assembled, so what I mean is it will come this motor on it, the basket in place, all screwed in. The only thing you have to put on is the legs if you want to, and that little outlet here on this space that you kind of screw it on from the inside and outside, and then you just put it through. And you have these covers which look very flimsy, but I mean they do the job. There's no safety on it, not that you really require it, so it will spin even without the covers. But the covers is just to hold the honey inside. Okay, what else? Well, let's switch it on and let's see what happens. So we put this on. This is now, you can see there was some electricity going through it. The green light is on, and if you put it on, this is now 10%, 50%, 70%. $100%. You can see there's a bit of a wobble. Now when there is a lot of frames, or the frames are full, the 4 frames, four full frames that you can put in there, when it's full, it really wobbles. You can just have a look at that without the cover. Okay, 70%, 50%, 20%. So you can just see how it goes around nicely, and that's 0. This is about 10%. So it's pretty good. The motor is good, as I say, it didn't overheat. Very nice. All right, give it a crank again. 100%. And back down to 0 and switch it off. This is now. The only thing is, what you see, that the legs are pretty short, and that means you cannot put a proper big bucket underneath. So I mean, where are we? We are about 330 from the mouth, from the lip of this opening. So that's not enough. The big bucket is not gonna fit underneath. That means you need to lift the whole thing up and put the bucket underneath. And plus, you're gonna have to think about the filtering. So you have to put some sort of filter medium, maybe a very fine net that you can also buy from the internet, and plus the bucket. So you need to really raise it up when we were extracting, it was as high as a table. So probably I would say it was about a meter high, the bottom of the thing, the extractor, and that's how we worked it. But otherwise it's really good. As I say, it was just a few $100s. It's made in China, but it was still good. It came assembled except the legs and the little lip, but it was super easy to assemble it. Maybe took, I'm not joking, 5 minutes, 5 to 10. Really, these are just the screws that you put in for the legs, and it does the job. It's really good. Watch the other videos and you will see how much honey gets extracted from the frames. So all in all, really happy with it. We will see how long it lasts. Keep watching our channel and then you will be updated. This is stainless steel. It was very nice and easy to wash, and the honey comes out nicely. What you find is that the inside at the bottom is kind of like a cone, so the honey is nicely flows down to the sides, and if you tip this a little bit when you finished, then you will be able to get all the honey out from the bottom. So really good, very happy. Keep watching, like, subscribe, and watch our farm videos. They are really, really good. See you next time.